Hi, today we will learn how to talk about house chores in English.
Morning routine dialogues.
Good morning. Did you have a good night's sleep?
Morning. Yeah. Not bad. How about you?
Pretty good. I'm just about to tackle the dishes from last night.
Ugh. Dishes. I'll help you out after I make some coffee.
Thanks. It's the least fun part of the morning routine.
Laundry day.
Hey, have you seen my favorite shirt?
Is it in the laundry basket? Today's laundry day, right?
Oh, right. I totally forgot. Let's get the laundry started.
I'll grab the detergent.
Thanks. Maybe we should do this more often.
Sharing chores.
I cleaned the bathroom yesterday. It's your turn to vacuum today.
All right, fair deal. I'll vacuum. But you have to take out the trash.
Deal. We make a good team.
Tidying up.
The living room looks a bit messy. Shall we tidy up a bit?
Yeah, let's do it. I'll straighten the pillows, and you can dust the shelves.
Sounds like a plan. It won't take long if we both pitch in.
Grocery shopping.
We are out of milk and bread. Should I add them to the grocery list?
Definitely. I'll go get them after work. Anything else we need?
Maybe some fresh fruits and snacks.
Got it. I'll grab those too. Weekend cleaning.
Saturday is here. Time for our weekend cleaning spree.
I'll take care of the kitchen, and you can focus on the bedroom.
Perfect. Let's make it quick so we can enjoy the weekend. Delegating tasks.
We have a lot to do today. How about you tackle the yard? And I'll handle the indoor chores. Sure, I'll mow the lawn and trim the bushes. Great. Teamwork makes the workload lighter.
Decluttering.
I think it's time to declutter the closet. What do you say? Agreed. We can donate what we don't need anymore.
Let's start with your side first.
Fair enough, but be ready for some tough decisions.